If you run a business, the hardest part of marketing usually isn't knowing what to do. It's keeping up with it. You tell yourself you'll get to it this week, you don't. And while your head's down doing the actual work, your competitors are showing up online. They're getting found. You're not. Most tools fail because they just give you another app to manage. Republic Systems was built differently. It's an AI-operated business system that handles your content, publishing, and follow-up automatically, so you can stay visible without babysitting a dashboard. Here is the core engine, what we call autopilot. Every morning at 6 a.m., the system wakes up and searches for trending topics in your industry. It writes a full SEO-optimized blog post and publishes it directly to your WordPress website. Then, it generates tailored posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, and publishes those too. Finally, it creates a 60-second AI spokesperson video, uploads it to YouTube, and embeds it directly into your blog post. You wake up, open Telegram, and see a morning briefing. Article title, links, everything that went out. You didn't write anything. You didn't post anything. You didn't touch a single tool. It was already done. If you're tired of content falling off and follow-up getting delayed, here is what I want you to do right now. Go to republicsystemsi.com and fill out the audit form. It takes about 2 minutes. Tell us your business, your industry, and your biggest challenge. The moment you hit submit, the system kicks in. Within minutes, you'll get a personalized video for your business and a breakdown of exactly what would work for your situation. No sales pitch, just a clear look at what AI can actually do for you. Link is in the description. Fill out the form, see the system work, and then decide.